Hi, my name is Yagmur Didesu Buzcu. I am a ballerina. Ballet is my hobby. I like doing ballet because it's very good and funny. They are my friends too. When we have show, I get excited. Because in the show, a lot of people is watching you. Sometimes in show, my hands get wet. But when we have show, we make up in the show. It looks like beautiful. And we are wearing some costumes about show. I am going Sezai Ballet School. This school is very beautiful and good. They are teaching very well. These are my ballet friends Ilgın and Irmak. I am learning with them. We are doing a lot of dance in Sezai I love them so much because they are always with me. These are my ballet teachers. Their names are Kardelen and Shanda. This is my best friend Didesu. She sometimes helps me in the ballet when I can't understand position. We are in show. We have to do this show very good. I am doing my dance. When I finished my dance, the audience clapped me. This is the finish of show. We get tired. I am taking my certificate. I am very happy. Thanks for watching.